हेलो बच्चा पार्टी, कैसे हैं आप लोग? सो लेट अस कंटिन्यू सर्कल 17th A, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 here. So this is our question number 5 and that is our first part. This is our second part question number 5 and that is our first part. So now in this question we have to calculate the value of A. So to calculate A, that is very simple, as you are seeing this triangle. Are you seeing this triangle A, B and C? I'm saying just look at A, B, C. Just look at this question. That is very simple here. We are seeing this, these values, and I think that angle B and angle D should also be equal, because that is the angle at the same segment here. So this is 35. Am I okay? Am I right? And that complete angle will be 90 degree, because this is what BC is your diameter. When BC is diameter, can I say this complete angle is your 90 degree here? Yes, angle at the semicircle is right angle. So this is 35, that is 90. Can you calculate angle ABC? Yes, we can calculate ABC is equals to 180 minus 90 plus 35. Okay, so it will be 180 minus 125 and that will be 55 here. This is 55 degree. So this angle we are going to calculate as 55 degree. Now ABC and ADC will be equal. Why? Because the angle at the same segment are equal. So this will also be 55 here. Are you seeing this question here? This is the complete segment here. Let us name them A, this is B, this is C and that is D. So this is the segment, complete segment AB. Dear children, this is the segment AB here. So are you seeing this angle C? Yes. So that will be equal to that angle here. Okay. So this will be your 25. Why? How is it possible? How it became possible here? We can ADB is equals to 25. The reason is that angle in the same segment are equal. Now, are you seeing this exterior angle property? So if this exterior angle, let us say this angle is P. So angle P is equals to angle D plus angle A. Okay, this is exterior angle property. Exterior angle property is what? That it is equals to the opposite sum of opposite interior angle. तो ये जो P है ना, ये बाहर का एंगल है, ये किसके इक्वल होगा? इसके और इसके सम के इक्वल होगा. So what is angle P? That is 120. What is angle D? Already we have calculated 25. What is angle A? That is B. Now dear children, you can very well understand that we have to subtract here and the value of B will come here 95 degree here. Right? So I think you have understood this question. See that the link of the previous question that already I have given in the description box. Right? So let us move to its third and fourth part here. So let us continue this third part of this question here. This is the third part. Here in this question, we have to calculate the value of C. So my dear students, how you can calculate? Just try to think. The C is given as 50 and that angle will be just double of it. Do you remember? जो भी एंगल सर्कमफ्रेंस पे होता है वो सेंटर पे आके उसका डबल हो जाता है. सो प्यारे बच्चों, ये कितना हो गया आपका? 100. ओके, अब आपको C कैलकुलेट करना है. सो फॉर दैट कैन आई से OA इज इक्वल्स टू OB? यस, बिकॉज दैट इज रेड आई. Now, if this angle is C, obviously that angle will also be C here. So let us apply the angle sum property. This is this angle, angle A, angle B plus angle O. This is angle O is equals to 180. So angle A is now C. This is plus C plus angle O is 100 is equals to 180. And 2C is equals to 180 minus 100, that is C is equals to 40 degree here that we have calculated. Now come to here this part. Here in this part we have to calculate D. तो क्लियर समझ में आ रहा है कि सेम सेगमेंट वाली कुछ कहानी है. एनी हाउ इफ वी हैपन टू कैलकुलेट दिस वैल्यू, तो जो इसकी वैल्यू होगी वही इसकी वैल्यू होगी. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, जो इसकी वैल्यू होगी वही इसकी वैल्यू होगी. कैसे भी करके इसकी वैल्यू कैलकुलेट कर ली जाए. ओके, बिल्कुल कर लेंगे. कैसे कर लेंगे? दिस इज 90, एम आई राइट? हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल? ये 90 कैसे हो गया? ये 90 हो गया एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी से, क्योंकि ये है आपका 90, ये है 45, कितना हुआ? 135. 135 को 180 से माइनस कर दीजिए आप, गेट हियर 55. सो दिस इज 55, देन इट विल ऑल्सो बी 55 here. So answer is D is equals to 55. Understood this question? Take care and goodbye.